Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today my kids are going to do the 2-minute tie-dye kit that we bought from Walmart. And within this tie-dye kit you will receive 2 containers, 9 bottles of dye, 5 refill packets, 20 rubber bands, and 2 pairs of gloves. So on the kit they're saying you should be able to speed up your tie-dyeing process from 8 hours to 2 minutes with the same vibrant results. We didn't necessarily see that vibrant results when we used this kit, but a little bit later on I will touch on, the results that we received. So we decided that we're going to do the swirl, sunburst, and also the stripe design. To get started, you want to make sure that you soak your cloth in water for 2 minutes. Okay, so the first design that we're going to do is the swirl. And what you want to do is just pinch the middle of your shirt or whatever cloth that you're using. It could be a hoodie, some pants, whatever you're going to be tie-dyeing. So you just twist it in the middle, turn it into a circle, and then use the rubber bands to hold the cloth together. I think we used about 5 rubber bands in total. So once you have secured the cloth with the rubber bands, you're now ready to tie-dye, start the tie-dyeing process. I will recommend that you use 100% cotton. I believe these shirts that we're using now is cotton and polyester. They didn't take well with the dye. The shirts end up fading when we put them in the washing machine and the dryer. The red end up looking like pink. So I would suggest using 100% cotton. We did use this kit once before, and the shirts that we had, they were 100% cotton, and the color came out a lot more vibrant. So the next design that you see me doing here, that is the sunburst design. And you just want to make a little ball, put the rubber bands on it, and start the tie-dyeing process. So my daughter, she's going to be using a variety of colors on her shirt, as you see her doing now. The third design we're going to do is the stripes. In the kit, it has it going more vertical. My son decided to do his horizontal just to be different. So once you have applied all of the tie-dye onto the cloth, you're going to put in this container, then put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I would suggest that you not use a lot of dye because it will come out in the microwave and it's messy, becomes, a headache to clean up. So allow for the cloth to cool off for about 15 minutes. We allowed our cloth to cool off for about 30 minutes to an hour. Once you've done that, take all the rubber bands off, wash the cloth until it rinse the cloth off until it runs clear. Now the water is clear. I put it in the washer, also the dryer, and this is our final results. As you can see, the color isn't very vibrant, but it was a nice project for my kids to do, and they had fun. Next time, I think I'm going to go back to, like I said, using that 100% cotton. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.